Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will tell you that how you can easily fix battery drainage issue in Vivo Y17s. So guys, if you have got Vivo Y17s and you are facing battery drainage options in Vivo Y17s, I will show you how you can easily fix that battery drainage issue. So make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake, and make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. So guys, in order to fix battery drainage problem in Vivo Y17s, you'll have to tap on settings, and once you're on this page, all you'll have to do is to scroll down, or you can simply search on the top right corner by tapping on this magnifier and search for battery. Now once you have searched it, all you'll have to do is to tap on battery, and once you're on this page, you will have to select this option, background power consumption management. Tap on it, and then you'll find the list of all the applications that have been installed on your device. For example, I want to turn background app refresh for Snapchat. I will tap on Snapchat, and you'll have to tap on don't restrict background power usage. Now when you will select this option, these specific apps will not consume your battery while they are running in background. So you can do this for same process for the useless apps that you open after a lot of time and you don't normally use them again and again. So like YouTube or Google Chrome and Google Play Store or something like that. So guys, if you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section.